Introducing TRADESAFE Portable Eyewash Station with an 8-gallon capacity. Built tough with premium high-density polyethylene, this unit delivers superior reliability in harsh environments. Measuring 21 5/8 inches by 10 1/8 inches by 14 3/8 inches, it holds up to 8 gallons of flushing liquid for efficient eye rinsing. The wide fill opening makes it easy to refill and keep sanitized even in demanding use. Activate the unit in a second with the pull-down tray that stays open for hands-free continuous flushing. The multi-layer nozzles flush both eyes evenly, gently, and effectively for more than 15 minutes at 0.4 gallons per minute. Once rinsing is complete, close the tray to conceal the nozzles, protecting them from dust and airborne contaminants between uses. With an integrated handle and included hardened steel mounting bracket with expansion bolts, this unit can be mounted on shelves, tables, tailgates, or walls. Ideal for labs, fieldwork, and industrial sites where mobility and durability matter. This station comes with highly visible signs in English and Spanish and bilingual inspection tags for easy identification and maintenance tracking. Rigorously tested to exceed ANSI and OSHA compliance requirements to ensure workplace compliance and safety. Don't take chances with eye safety. Equip your site with TRADESAFE Portable Eyewash Station. Innovative safety solutions. Trusted by industry leaders. TRADESAFE.